I'm here on 16th Street in Central Phoenix, Arizona, and you know, on Triple D, I've seen some of the most unique places, the most creative chefs, the biggest characters you could ever imagine. But from what I hear, this husband and wife team that are making kebabs at this place, well, they're doing things in their own special way.
Woo! Woo!
If you're ready for an adventure, this is Kebab Grill & Go.
2 orders of thigh.
Oh, you're in for a real treat.
It's always amazing.
You can see the smoke of the mesquite grill, and then you just get hit with the flavors.
Perfection.
His glazes, his sauces he puts on is just amazing.
And his giant personality, it's pretty off the charts, too.
Thank you, I love you, brother.
You gotta buckle up for this guy, Tony Chilligarian, who, along with his wife, Hasmeek, is cranking the grill into overdrive. What is this, Persian food?
It's Persian-Armenian with my twist. Woo! Let's go.
We are fired up.
Cool that down.
The Kobide, it's smoky, meaty, a little bit of rice to die for.
Kubinet's from Persia.
Okay.
So we grind all our meats in-house. Ribeye roll, short plate, and chuck. So you gotta have a good consistency.
Next step.
Grind the veggies as well. Red bell pepper, green bell peppers, white onions, jalapenos.
Got it. And then we'll make the dry rub that'll go in.
Turmeric, paprika, smoked paprika, chili powder,
Okay.
onion powder, black pepper, salt. Mix it with my hand.
Do you sing or anything right now when you do this?
You asked for it.
All right, so now we put this on the kebab.
My skewer, oh, sorry. Each order comes with 2 skewers.
You get 2 of these.
Yes, sir.
Well done, my friend. You make it look like you've done this a million times.
Yes, sir.
What comes with this?
Basmati rice,
So we have some washed basmati.
water. You want to add a little turmeric, garlic powder, chicken broth,
Vegetable oil.
vegetable oil.
The rice cooks. What's next?
My style of chimichurri, green bell pepper, serrano, red bell pepper, garlic, white wine,
White wine vinegar, got it.
avocado oil,
Avocado oil.
salt. You want to get it creamy.
So it's more of a dressing than it is a chimichurri. So that's the dipping sauce for it. We cook the meat in the back in the mesquite. There we go. All right, so this is where all the work's done.
Yes.
Was that a little dance move I just saw there when you put it down?
Yeah.
It looked like a little down, and then it looked like there was a dance move. What is the sauce that we're putting on here?
That's just straight butter.
Okay.
See, right now it's done. Basmati rice, skewer, kubide,
A lot of meat.
2 grilled Roma tomatoes, Anaheim. You like jalapeno?
Yeah, yeah. Throw a couple of those in there.
That's it.
It's really delicious, very juicy. You could take that meat and do about anything you want with it. You can make a sandwich out of it. It's very good.
Let's do it, baby, yeah. Want kubide coming down?
The Kubide is wonderful.
With ground chuck in particular, if you're actually grounding it yourself, it's why it tastes so much better. It tastes fresh.
The chimichurri sauce, tangy, very savory. It teleports me to a new place.
Thank you so much, appreciate you.
Tony has a presence.
5 minutes?
The Leonidas of the grill, I call him.
You ever thought of being a WWE wrestler?
Let's do it, baby, yeah!
You need to get the combo platter.
Yeah!
Baby. It's very intense.
He has the softest heart.
Ready to go. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
We just love seeing the entire family. Jasmine's the cutest.
I think that's my favorite one right there. How much is that one?
For free.
How about 10 bucks?
Ready to rock and roll, baby.
Here is your chicken tender as you like.
Their chicken tenders, oh my goodness.
The juiciest chicken you've ever had.
All right, buddy.
This is my white meat, the tenders. Mayo, OJ, garlic, green bell pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, jalapeno,
Paprika.
smoked paprika, Worcestershire sauce,
Wish you were exercising sauce.
chopped onions, little bit of yellow mustard, lemon juice,
And a little bit of salt. Now, how long are we gonna let this marinate, Tony?
2 hours. Then we skewer it.
When you cook this, you glaze it with something?
It's called champagne.
You wild man. Let's make that.
Let's take it, baby. Mayo, Worcestershire, fresh garlic.
Mustard. The build your own fire technique. It does have a little champagne-y effervescence, uniqueness. It's really good.
Woo! Okay, this.
Yeah. It's champagne. Not lying. It is tender and it is moist. The way you baste it with that champagne sauce, I mean, it really is something. Flavor, loaded with it. Good job, buddy.
Thank you. Tender down.
There's just nothing like that.
The sauce that Tony puts in it really makes the chicken really creamy. It's a flavor that I've never had before.
You don't want to eat the whole thing at once, but I've done that too. Had to do it.
Extra veggies, you got it.
It's the best food I've ever had.
It's flavor town in your mouth.
What's going on here is a guy that has such a love affair with food. You are just on your own magical journey. You are probably in the more unique people I've ever met in diners, drive-ins, and dives.
Thank you.
I love it. I give you all the respect in the
Thank
world, dude.